Do we need to give him one yet?
It's gonna be attached to our minutes.
Okay.
so.
Does the clerk want to read this?
Yes, I'll read this into our record. You got time, Kelly? Because I read slow. To the Wareham Finance Committee, from the subcommittee to study the police education and incentive benefits, the Finance Committee formed a subcommittee to review the town's responsibility and obligations with regard to the police education incentive pay / career incentive pay. Based on our findings, we have determined that the town is only liable for, and therefore is only obligated to pay, the 1/2 of the benefit attributable to the town under Mass General Law, Chapter 41, Section 180L, or as otherwise contractually agreed upon. Mass General Laws, Chapter 41, Section 108L, the Quinn Bill, was enacted in 1970 by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts to encourage police officers to further their education in criminal justice. The Quinn Bill specifies how compensation is to be earned as a percentage of increased salary in increments of 10%, 20%, and 25% based on the officer's obtaining an associate degree or 60 points towards a baccalaureate degree or a master's degree respectively, under the provisions added in 1976. One key component of the statute is reimbursement to municipalities by the state. The statute reads, any city or town which accepts the provisions of this section and provide career incentive salary increase, what did I do wrong?
Don't, you just keep going.
Oh, sorry. Incentive salary increase for their police officers shall be reimbursed by the Commonwealth for 1/2 of the cost of such payments upon certification by the Board of Higher Education. The town of Wareham voted to adopt the provisions of the Quinn Bill at the town meeting held on September 11, 1974. We have not found any change or amendment to this subject subsequent to the town meeting, and the police contracts currently in effect specifically reference the motion passed at that meeting. The current police department budget shows that approximately 33 officers receive benefits according to the provisions of the Quinn Bill. The total liability of the town for education incentive pay is approximately $363,200, which includes the state's 50% and the money for contractual benefits which are outside of the Quinn Bill. The total amount of the town's FY 2013 obligation under the education incentive benefit, as per the final voted motion at the 1974 special town meeting, is approximately $202,900. Beginning in 2009, the state stopped reimbursing municipalities the full 50% share as required under the statute. The town of Wareham has continued to pay officers fully, which requires the town to cover the state portion from the municipal budget. Several Massachusetts cities, including Boston, chose to fund only their half of the obligation plus any reimbursement actually received. Predictably, several lawsuits ensued. In March 2012, the Supreme Judicial Court rendered an opinion in the case of the Daniel Adams versus City of Boston, which found in favor of the City of Boston. The decision paves the way for cities and towns to honor their obligations under the Quinn Bill by paying the only town's share plus any reimbursement monies actually received from the state. In reviewing other communities' response to this ruling, we noted a variety of different reactions. Some towns have opted to continue paying the full benefit, while others, especially cities with large obligations, are only funding their mandated portion. Based on Wareham's current fiscal situation, we recommend the Board of Selectmen direct the interim town administrator to stop paying the state's portion of the Quinn Bill benefits effective immediately. The annual savings from the police department budget for this item will be approximately $160,300. That's it? That's all I got.
Except for my one typo. Kelly, I can email this to you if you want me to correct it, so you don't have to worry about that.
There was one
I just
line.
know one, so paying only the town share.
Yeah, that was the one I had to.
Stumbled over.
Of course I did. See, I don't
Go
want to.
ahead.
I don't want to make a big discussion of this. I noticed that we recommend, so that's not the same as directing.
Exactly.
So I'm okay with that, because in my opinion, we did the y'all, that's a southern term, y'all, did the research to find the facts. The problem is, we had someone sitting here tonight to tell us our facts are wrong.
That's what lawyers get paid to do.
Okay. Well, with that, my argument's over.
All right, would you
Entertain
like
motion.
to have a
Motion
motion?
to adjourn?
No,
No, don't we do the minutes?
What?
The minutes.
Yeah, oh, I have to just, we're gonna, somebody give me a motion to do something with this
I
letter?
move we accept the letter as written and forwarded to the
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? All those abstain? Wonderful, that 4 votes. Okay,
Do you?
oh, can I have a motion, to accept the minutes of the meeting?